All right, so I'm doing more wiring here in the console. So I got stuff labeled. So this plugged into the back of the console, and then I believe this here are the wires for the speedometer warning. So this plugs into the buzzer itself, and then this one here plugs into the top of the console. And then the light for the brights, and then also just now pulled down the column wire harness. This was tucked up in here like this. It's tucked up in here. Like that. And then there's a clip on here. And it's clipped to this rail here. So it's a little screwdriver and just pried it off. And then pulled it out and down like that with the clip. And then I'll get that unplugged and get that labeled. And then I don't know where this, it's clear that there's a clip here. Is this plugged into somewhere? I don't know what it was. Plugged into. It was like that. So maybe this in the back of this. I don't know. Or it was already undone. I don't have to unplug anything. So I could dig more into it when I get in there. So I'm continuing. So just a little video of what's in here. Let's look what's going on. Let's get that light out off the way so we can see. There we go. So plenty of wires in here for me to screw something up. But anyway, I'll one at a time, start unplugging and leveling, and go from there.